So I think since I have nothing to do, I'm just gonna start making videos again, you know. And I have a phone. I just deleted a bunch of stuff so that I can make videos. A little backstory. This morning I woke up and something brought me to clicking on my channel again. I laughed at a couple of my jokes. I enjoyed watching my own videos, which I really didn't when I first made the channel. Last week I recorded a little clip. It was supposed to be a knife review video. I broke the knife I was reviewing in that video. Yeah, instead of uploading that video to the channel, I'll just put the clip of me breaking the knife right here. I just broke it. Right now I'm looking for decent scrap wood that I can use for batoning. All the wood is wet, all of it. But what I'm doing here is I have this full tang kitchen knife. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing around with this. I also have another knife that I'm gonna do a review on, just like the knife I broke, but different. Now I need to find something to baton with. This is the old thing, the old stick I use for batoning. This is the one that I broke my knife with. I'm gonna show you what that is right there. Yeah, I got a runny nose. Over here at this bench here, yeah, this is where I did my first set of batoning with my little Mora copy. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna look for something to set my phone on. I might use something like this. So I think I'm gonna stop the video, grab that, set it all up, and then set up. There's my cat. Okay, so I've decided to take a slightly different approach. I was going to do the batoning on the log that is behind where the camera is, but I've decided that I'm just gonna take a stump from over there where I grabbed the other piece of wood that you just saw, and then set here, and then I can take this giant ass kitchen knife and I can take this wood and I can do this sort of thing. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, so the wood grain is ass. Okay, so right away the knife is bent. It's not like that this morning. That hurts. Oh, there's a knot. Cool. Yeah, I have another channel on YouTube that I'm not particularly proud of, that I did not take down. I didn't think I should take it down. It's memories. I don't think. Alright. As you can see, one of the pins came out, so that's cool. I think I'm just gonna use a different piece of wood. I think that was the wood. Wow, my batoning stick broke a little bit. There. Brand new. Take this piece of wood, which is not knotted, not knotted, then, yeah. So much shock in the handle, man. So, this knife just happens to be dull as the day is long. The days here are quite long. Okay, so it's obviously got a rolled edge. See if I can just try and get a little sliver off at least. There we go. Maybe it's where I have the knife set. I'm actually making a little bit of progress here though. I don't know if you can see that. This stick was perfectly fine when I grabbed it. Jeez, alright. Cool. Ow. God. Can I get it to pry off now? Alright, I'm done with this. Oh, it's too dull to stick into the ground, it's made a dent. Oh, I like to flip. Ow! I actually am pretty good at flipping knives, though. So, keep that in mind. Let's see if I can use this to chop. Alright. Not horrible, but I'm going to use this little tiny stick. You know, because I'm scared I'm going to break this little knife. Of course. The last one broke. So yeah, we're going to use this little tiny thing. Easy. I'm just going to send it. Okay, well it seems to work just fine when chopping that direction. Already, my little $3 off-brand Mora is doing like 1,000 times better than the kitchen knife. But for this little Bushmaster, it was not cheap. It was inexpensive, but I got a more. I got a real knife, man. Oh, I have the sniffles. This knife, it sucks. I keep throwing it on the ground. I'll stick it right here so you can look at it. And it's 3 rivet, 1 rivet, glory. Yeah, I'm just gonna send it. Wonder how it feather sticks, man. Okay, we're not gonna feather stick with that. Warning, I'm not good at this. Well, it is possible, but I'm not very good at this. So, but yeah, nice thin feathers of stick. Okay. Obviously the edge is rolled. You can see that right now. Alright, so it doesn't feather stick nearly as well as the $3 Bushmaster. That sound. Fuck it. I'm way happier with that little tiny $3 knife. Alright, so that was the video. I hope you found some form of entertainment in it. I definitely enjoyed making the video. That was a lot of fun. I got carried away, accidentally recorded for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna cut it down into. I'm gonna try and cut it down into less than 10. I'm gonna see if I can do it. You know how I am. I do need to clean this. It's disgusting. Here, Mom, if you're watching this video, this is why you don't use your everyday carry knives for food. Because I do shit like this. Live in the woods, living like Larry. Oh wait. Don't do meth.